This 5-minute solution will show you how to link activation account to Blizzard. It's really very easy process to link your activation with your Blizzard account. Just follow me to do it. Open browser and open activation.com and you will jump into official activation website. Here, make sure to sign into your activation account and then click on profile and here select account linking option and you will get battle.net account or Blizzard account option. So click on link account, continue, and now you have to log into your battle.net account or Blizzard account. Once you logged in, here click on proceed anyway. And after that, your activation account will be linked with your Blizzard account. This is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.